The Republic is not what it once was. The Senate is full of greedy, squabbling delegates.
Point.
Excuse me, Chancellor.
Enter the bureaucrats, the true rulers of the Republic, and on the payroll of a trade federation, I might add. This is where Chancellor Valorum's strength will disappear.
The point is conceded.
I move for a vote of no confidence in Chancellor Valorum's leadership.
Now they will elect a new Chancellor. A strong Chancellor. One who will not let our tragedy continue. Begin landing our troops.
My lord, is that legal?
I will make it legal.
This is a crisis. The Senate must vote the Chancellor emergency powers. He can then approve the creation of an army.
But what senator would have the courage to propose such a radical amendment?
Misa propose that the Senate give immediately emergency powers to the Supreme Chancellor.
It is with great reluctance that I have agreed to this calling. I love democracy. I love the Republic. And as my first act with this new authority, I will create a grand army of the Republic to counter the increasing threats of the Separatists.
Good, Anakin, good. Kill him. Kill him now.
I shouldn't.
Do it.
Did you ever hear the tragedy of Darth Plagueis the Wise?
No.
I thought not. It's not a story the Jedi would tell you. It's a Sith legend.
You are pursuing a diplomatic solution to the war, then?
You must trust me to do the right things, Senator. That is why I am here.
But surely...
I've said I'll do what is right. That should be enough for your committee.
Now that he has control of the Jedi Council, the Chancellor has appointed governors to oversee all star systems in the Republic.
When did this happen?
Oh, that decree was posted this morning.
Do you think he'll dismantle the Senate?
Why bother? As a practical matter, the Senate no longer exists.
The Constitution is in shreds. Amendment after amendment.
The Chancellor has played the Senate as well. They know where the power lies, and they will do whatever it takes to share in it.
There are times when we must all endure adjustments to the Constitution in the name of security.
He is behind everything. In the shadows, always, but soon, very soon, he will reveal himself.
With your help, the Jedi can stop Sidious before it's too late.
Too late? For what? The Republic to fall? It already has, and you just can't see it. There is no justice, no law, no order, except for the one that will replace it.
In the name of the Galactic Senate of the Republic, you're under arrest, Chancellor.
Are you threatening me, Master Jedi?
The Senate will decide your fate.
I am the Senate.
Not yet.
It's treason, then.
Oppression of the Sith will never return. You have lost.
No. You will die. Do what must be done, Lord Vader. Do not hesitate. Show no mercy.
Execute Order 66.
Once more, the Sith will rule the galaxy.
The attendant on my life has left me scarred and deformed.
My resolve has never been stronger.
In order to
to ensure the security and continuing stability, the Republic will be reorganized into the First Galactic Empire!